Hello my students, how are you? Prep 3. Today we'll solve model examinations of the school book on algebra and statistics. First question, show the correct answer. The point -3 and 4 lies on space quadrant. We have graphical first here and second, third and fourth. The sign start from x-axis here positive and positive, the first positive and positive, and the second x-axis negative and y positive, negative and positive, and fourth negative and negative, and third it will be negative and negative, and fourth positive and negative. So this question -3 and 4, the sign negative and positive. Negative and positive, it will be lies in the second quadrant. Sign negative and positive in second quadrant. Choose letter B. The answer letter B. Next question. The positive square root of mean of let's ask about the standard division. It's a definition about it. We know standard division equals square root of mean of the squares of division of values from arithmetic mean is called what? We can find square root here, x subtract by x bar over 2 divided by number of elements. Then the positive square root of mean of the squares of division of values from its arithmetic mean, we called it standard division. Okay, choose letter C. Understood? You know the summation about the rule. We find the rule like this: square root of summation x subtract x bar over 2 divided by the number of elements in this information about data. Then choose letter C, standard division. Next question, 3a equal 4b. Then the ratio between a to b equal. We have 3a equal 4b, then we can write the ratio. We have 3a equal 4b, then the ratio between a and b. A product by 3, write 3 here, and b product by 4. So the ratio between a to b 4 to 3. The ratio 3 for 3. Choose letter B here about this question. Number 3, choose letter B. Next example. Number of element set of x equal 2 and number of y by y equal 9. It's Cartesian product, okay. And the number of x Cartesian product by y equal. We first find the number of element of x product by the number of element of y. He give me number of element in the set of x equal 2 and number of y 2 equal 9. The number of y equals 3 because 3 times 3 is 9. Then 2 times 3 equals 6. The answer will be 6. Choose letter A. Next question. The range of the set of the values 7, 3, 6, 9, 5 is. The range equals difference between greatest number and smallest, or maximum subtract by minimum. The maximum here 9 subtract by minimum 3. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Choose letter C. Okay, 9 minus 3. Next question. Y direct verse by x and y equal 2 when x equal 8, then x equal what when y equal 3. Okay, you can write the relation here. We have this direct relation between y and x. y1 over y2 equal x1 over x2. He gives me the information here he give me y equal to y1 when x equal 8. He want x2 when y2 equal 3. And x2 equal 3 times 8, 24. 24 divided by 2 equal 12. And the value here equal 12. Choose letter B. Okay, question number 6. Choose letter B. Number 2. If it's Cartesian product by y equals set of 2 and 2, 2 and 5, 2 and 7. We can find the set of x and set of y. The element of x, the first projection 2 only, and set of y, the second projection here 2, 5, 7. Then we can find y Cartesian product by x equal to 5 and 7. Cartesian product with a set of 2. In sets will be 2 and 2, 5 and 2, 7 and 2. Understood? Next question, number 2. If A, B, C, and D are proportional, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. First step, let A over B equal C over D equal constant and M not equal 0. Okay, then start about left hand side. We have A over B minus C, B minus A equal. From this relation we can write A equal BM and C equal DM. Raise the value of A equal BM and B subtract by A. B subtract by A equal BM. You can write Hadcom factor between two denominator B divided by B1, BM divided by B equal M, and we have up BM divided by B, and the result will be M over 1 minus M as the simplest. Next, left hand side. Okay, right hand side equal C over D minus C, C equal DM over D subtracted by C, C equal DM. You can write Hadcom factor between two terms down, write D divided by D1, dm divided by D equal M. You can simplest the result equivalent to M over 1 subtract M. Then left hand side will be equal right hand side, they are equivalent M over 1 minus M. You can write left hand side equal right hand side. Next question number 3. If x equal to 3 and 5 and y equal 4, 6, 8, 10 and R is a relation from x to y. Relation with B means twice A equal B for all A pointing to x and y pointing to B, or B pointing to y. Write R between relation. Okay, we can find the relation here between x and y, twice A equal B. Like this, we can find the relation equal. He tell me, look at here, twice A equal B, like 2 times 2 equal 4, right? 2 and 4. And second, 3 times 2 is 6. You have image. And then 5 times 2 equal 10. Understood? And using arrow diagram, we can draw x here and y. Draw by ruler. Okay, x and y. Write the elements of x: 2, 3, and 5. And the image was 4, 6, 8 and 10. Draw from the 2 to 4 and 3 to 6 and 5 to 10. R here is a function because each element in X has only one image in Y. Right here, R is a function because every element of X has only one image in Y. Okay, R is a function because every element of X has only one image in Y. Next question. Letter B here finds the number that if we add it to each term of the ratio 7 to 11 becomes 2 to 3. Let the number here equal X, and we can add to numerator and denominator about 2 terms, then become equal to over 3. Then first step, let the number be X, then X plus 7 over X plus 11 equal to over 3. The product of extremes equal product of means. Then 3 times X equal 3X, and 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times X equal 2X, and 2 times 11 is 22. Then 2X subtracted from 3X equal X. 21 subtracted by 22 is 1. And the number will be equal 1. Next question. Number 4. If X equal 1, 3, 5, the relation function on X shall equal A, 1, 1 and 5. Find the range of the function. You can find the range here. The image was 3, 1 and 5. Okay, 3. The range equal 3, 1, 5. Second projection about the image, here is the brackets. And then find the value of A plus B. You want A plus B. We know relation here in R such that A may be 1, maybe 3, maybe 5. But don't repeat it. No, we have 1 here. Look at here, 1. We have 1. So A may be equal 1, and known 1, choose 3, and then B will be equal 5. And if A equal 3 or A equal 5, then B will be equal 3. Then there is summation between A plus B equal 8. We have two probability here. A equals 3 or 5. When A equals 3, B will be only 5. Why? Because we have the function. This function, it's meaning each element in X has only one image on X only. Understood? The function, because every element on X has only one image in X. Then A must be equal 3 or 5, and also be also 5 or 3. Summation between them equal 8. Next question. Letter B. If Y is inverse relation with X, we have verse relation. Y equal 3, X equal 2. Find the relation between X and Y. First step, we can write such that Y is verse inverse with X, then Y equivalent to M over X, which M not equal 0, okay? Next, put in this relation y equal m over x to find the constant first. When y equal 3, x equal 2, then we have the value of y equal 3, and next value of x equal 2, then the product between together m equal 2 times 3 equals 6, the constant equals 6. So the relation between y and x, y equals 6 over x, is the relation, this number 1, okay? And then number 2, he wants to find the value of y when x equal 1.5. At x equal 1.5, the value of y equals 6 over 1.5. The result will be 4. And the value of y here equal 4. Next question down here. Represent the function graphically as intervals from 0 to 6. Okay, first step, we can use calculator to find the table, or your mind. You can solve this example by your mind. There is a table and represent graphically, okay? We have here table like this. X and f of x. We have the function here, f of x was equal to x subtract by 3 power 2, and x polling to the interval from 0 to 6. Okay, with 0, negative 3 power 2, it will be 9, okay? And 1 minus 3, negative 2 power 2 is 4. Or you can use calculator here by this program, about table, open here and choose mode, and then 7 table. Arrange the function f of x equal x subtract, write brackets here, x, write alpha brackets here, look at here, alpha, and then this brackets, write x, power 2, x minus 3, and then close the brackets power 2, and then equal what? Start, tell me start from 0, write 0, equal, and the end equal 6, write 6, equal, and then equal also. Last step, he will draw the table here. Look at here, the table, and the image. You write 0, 0 and 9, 1 and 4, and then complete. Down here, 2 to 1. The image 2 is 1, and the image of 3 is 0, and 4 is 1, and 5 is 4. And last one, 6 equals 9. The image will be 9. Next step, you can draw the graphical x-axis and y-axis. Draw the vertical and horizontal like this. And next step, write the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. From 0 to 9, the first image. 0 to 9, 1 to 4, 2 to 1, 3 with 0, 4 to 1, 5 to 4, 6 with 9. And then draw the curve like this. Okay. Next, he wants what? He wants the equation of symmetry and the minimum value and the vertex. Okay, the vertex here will be 3 and 0, and we have axis of symmetry like this. The axis of symmetry x equals 3. In the first, the order of the vertex will be 3 and 0, and second, minimum at 0. Okay, the order 3 and 0 was the vertex, and the minimum value equal 0, and the axis of symmetry x equals 3. its axis of symmetry. Understood? Next question. You can solve this question. It's easy. You can find first arithmetic mean, then standard devision. First step, x bar equals sum of all numbers divided by the count 5. Okay, you can write by calculator or by your mind. Okay, we have here 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 7 equals 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 5 35. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Then x bar, it will be 7. We can find sum of all values divided the number of values. Then x bar is 7. Next step, you can draw the table like this and divide it 3 parts. Right here x and x subtract by x bar and x subtract x bar power 2. Write 8, 9, 7, 6 and 5. X minus x bar. 8 minus 7 1. 1 power 2 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 7 minus 7 0. 0 power 2 0. 6 minus 7 negative 1. Negative 1 power 2 is 1. 5 minus 7 is negative 2 power 2 is 4. And next step, you can write standard division, right? Square root of summation about the answer here 6, 7 and 11. Over divided by the number of digits 5, 11 over 5 and write square root of 11 divided by 5. The result will be 1.4 and 8. It's 10, not 10. Okay. Understood? Sorry, 1 power 2 is 1. It was 10 divided by 5, square root of 10. The result will be 3.16. 10 divided by 5 equal 2. Square root of 2 equal 1.4 and 1. Okay, let's finish. Next question. Okay, last question I will solve next model in the next video. Okay, my students, goodbye.